You assume there is a computer or the network of computer, and we are connecting them via some wire that is called the wired medium. Okay, but it is not related to one computer. There can be multiple computer, and let us suppose that it is the computer and we want to connect with other computer means any device. Let us suppose the laptop, mobile, we are assuming everything inside that. Okay, computer I'm taking as an example. So there is some wireless media, with that they are connected, right? So there is a wireless link now, that is called the wireless. If I talk about the different ways of using the wired, the first one we are having is the twisted pair cable, right? Then further we are having is the coaxial cable. Then next one we are having is the fiber optics. Now if I talk about your wireless, then in the wireless we are having is the infrared, then we are having is the microwave, and the next one we are having is the radio wave. If I take out the example, you have seen that normally at your home such type of wire is there where two wires are going with each other. And what are the devices where these wires are used? Say fan, small fan, you have seen that, table fan, your press, where the two wires are coming together, table fan, even press, or maybe you can say that RO. Okay, so two wires are coming, they are coming under the category of twisted pair. Twisted pair means they go together. We can even connect them very easily, because if I say that the two wires are coming of fan, okay, and they are broken, you can easily just cut them and you can easily join, okay, and with some tape, some insulation, okay, they can be joined very easily. So that is the twisted pair cable. Then talking about the next category of the cable we are having is the coaxial cable. Now at your home you can see that you are having the wire. If I just give you the diagram of that wire, there is a very thin wire, very hard wire. Above that there is a coating. So this is the coating above that. And if I see above there is a mesh. The mesh is there above that. And again there is a coating above that. These are the wires you are using in your Tata Sky or maybe the cable TV. Okay, and somewhere in the broadband also, if you are having the broadband at your home, somewhere few only the 5% broadbands are using this cable. Okay, that depend upon the area also, but the mostly these wires are for the cable connection. Now, the next category we are having is the fiber optics. Fiber optics, as the name signify optic. Optic means the light. So today it is very much popular. There is the medium. Medium means there is a denser medium and the rare medium, and there is a law of physics. The physics law says that whenever the ray come from denser medium to rare medium, let us suppose that if I talk about that this is a denser medium above and this is the rare medium, denser and the rare, these are the concept of physics, means dense. Let us suppose that if I say one example, there is a river and above that we are having is the air. This is air and this is the river. So this is the rare medium, this is the denser medium. Denser medium means heavy, rare means light. So whenever your sun ray come here, its light get deflected. The angle from where it is coming, the angle become lesser. Okay, there is not the same angle, it is not going in the same angle. Okay, this is called the diffraction. Okay, so also the fiber optic work on that. So they send the rays in such a manner at some angle. Let us suppose that if I change the angle here, what will happen? It will move this way. Again the angle will change. If I am increasing the angle, again decreasing. Now what if I send the ray like this? it will come back. It will not go down. Okay. So it will come back. It will not going inside that. So similarly, they are sending the rays so that there is a total reflection. Ray will reflect, come here, again reflect. So ray is reflecting in between the ray to denser medium and it will not come out. So that is the intelligence, okay, by which the ray and the denser medium work, and we send out the light waves inside the complete wire. So that becomes a wire, okay, and even very minute, very small wire. If anybody is having the broadband at your home in the optical fiber, then very small wire is there, and the rays never comes out. Okay, where we use it? We use it in the high speed. If we are having very high speed, then we use it. Okay, and the connection is not easy. You cannot say that if one optical fiber is coming like this and there is another optical fiber, you can join them. No, you cannot join them, because if you are saying the rays are coming in between, rays will come out. So you need a proper connector. The special connectors are coming which connect properly with that particular angle. So that is costly also. So optical fiber cable is high speed but very costly and very delicate to handle. If I talk about twisted pair at your home, even the fan is not working. We guys are the engineers. We even take out the plug and even put the wire easily. Okay. Even coaxial cable can be connected with some connector, but fiber optic is one of the highest paid or maybe very costly cable. Okay. Now talking about the infrared, microwave and radio wave all are the example of your wireless communication. You have seen the TV remote at your home. TV remote, any talking about the stereo or maybe the woofers at your home, all the remotes which are working, even in your car you are having some kind of the display, and also that is having a remote, all are based upon the infrared. So the property of infrared is that it is for the small range, very small range is there in the infrared. And one thing is, it is a direct connection. They work directly means if the remote is there, you cannot say like this that remote is not in front of the TV and TV is working, the remote is in another room, TV is on. No, that is not possibility. Okay, now next thing we are having is the microwave. So talking about the microwave at our home, actually that is not the microwave. The device we are using the name as microwave because it is using the microwaves inside that. That's why the name is given to that device, microwave oven. Actually it is the category of the oven. Let us suppose that this is my microwave, and you have seen that there are some kinds of buttons over there, and there is very smart glass. And let us suppose that pizza is moving inside that and the person is watching from the glass. Now you know that microwave is very much powerful, that it can even heat up your pizza. But let us suppose the microwaves are coming out from that glass. So what will happen? Our face will be the pizza, right? Because our face will be burnt. So microwaves are only used because they cannot cross the medium. If I switch on the microwave and the pizza is there inside that, so microwave can only move inside the walls. It cannot come outside. Okay, that's why even we can watch out the glass over there. So only because of that category we are using the microwave. That microwave cannot cross the walls. And that is very powerful also. Powerful, you have seen that. Within 30 seconds you can even heat up your pizza or any other thing, right? So microwave, they cannot cross the wall. Okay, only that thing. But what is the disadvantage with the microwave? Let us suppose for the communication I am using the microwave. Now the microwave is moving like this, okay, and there is a hill in between that. What will happen? It cannot cross that hill, then no communication. Or maybe if I say that my Wi-Fi is based upon the microwave, what will happen? If my Wi-Fi is there inside a room, the Wi-Fi is placed, what will happen? The signals are only coming inside that room, not outside. It cannot cross the room. So that is the major disadvantage of microwave. It can only work inside the boundary. That's why the Wi-Fi are also not based upon the microwave, because if some hill is coming or some of the room is there, they cannot cross it. Now, radio wave. Talking about the radio wave, they are very powerful. You have seen that in many of the movies that they are talking to the sky, means aliens they are talking, and there are some kind of dishes there, and it is very high powerful dish that it is sending the signal even beyond the sky. If this is the sky, they are sending the signal beyond that. Why they are saying? Because that is the radio wave. It can cross any medium. Even if you put the mountain, if the radio wave is coming, it will cross it. It will again move further. If you are using a room, radio waves are coming, they will cross it. Cross the glass, cross any medium. So radio wave work like this. One more thing about the radio wave, that radio waves is used in the satellite. Why the satellite? Because you know that the satellite is beyond the earth. Let us suppose that this is my earth, okay, and there is some satellite moving. We know that all our Tata Sky and everything is working from the satellite TV. These are the satellite communication. Your dish of Tata Sky is there, my dish of Tata Sky is there. It is sending the signal from here. Maybe the sky is in between or something is there, cloud is there. It can send the signal. Yeah, if heavy rain is coming, sometimes they lose the signals also. That is also a condition. Okay, but still it sends the signal. So these are the radio waves which can penetrate anything. Okay. So radio waves are very much powerful. One or more thing about the radio waves, they are the omnidirectional. If I take a very simple example, let us suppose that this is my TV, okay, and there is the remote of that TV, okay. The remote bulb should be aligned to the TV because they can send the signal in one direction. Line of sight communication, that is called the unidirectional, means they can send and receive the signal in the one direction only. But let us suppose that if I talk about the radio wave, if I have put an antenna like this, some antenna is there like this, then they can send the signal in every direction which is possible. So that is called the omnidirectional antennas, right? So they can send the data into or the signals into all the directionals. That is all about your infrared, microwave and radio wave. Now where to use them? In the wired medium, if I talk about the twisted pair, then at your home fans or RO or even normal appliances, we are going to use that. Coaxial cable mostly for your cable TV. Then fiber optics we are using for the high speed communication, but the fiber optics is very costly also. Then in the wireless, if we talk, then infrared, that is the line of sight communication, means both should be in the same direction. That is the unidirection. And like your TV remotes, speakers remote, car remote. Microwave, the main specialty, it cannot cross the wall. That is very powerful that we use in the microwave oven at our home. Next one is the radio wave. They can move in all the direction, penetrate any medium that is possible, and there we use in the satellite communication. So these are the wired and the wireless medium.